Our project focuses on the recycling of e-waste and the campaign we organize at our school to spread awareness about it. The term e-waste covers almost all items of electrical and electronic equipment that have been discarded by its owner as waste. A large amount of what is labelled as e-waste is actually not waste at all, but rather whole electronic equipment or parts that can be reused or recycled. Last year, we and a group of students from our school organised a campaign to spread awareness on this topic. To do this, we divided our group of 20 students into 3 smaller groups. One group publicised the campaign during the month before the day of the collection, thanks to a leaflet with all the information and details written on it. Another group created a website with a quiz to see how much our school knew about e-waste before the campaign, shared the link through an official communication on the school website and social media accounts, and later on presented the results during a school assembly in June. The last group, the one we were in, took care of the logistic aspect of the collection, surveilling the containers and writing down how many objects each person brought and which class they belonged to. We also managed to spread information about the collection during 3 school assemblies in March, April and June, as we held a presentation about e-waste and explained the importance and the aim of our campaign to raise awareness about it. The collaboration between the 3 groups and the communication with members of CNR, an Italian research institution, and ERA, a municipal waste recycling institution, we were able to involve the whole of our 1,200 student school. We collected more than 400 objects previously owned by students of all classes, but also teachers and school staff in general. We also organised a little competition in the school. The class which brought more objects would win a prize. We inserted all the data in the online calculator We for Future, and as you can see, the campaign was a great success, since we collected more than 1,000 kilos of CO2, despite the difficulties of the organisation because of COVID, as we often had to work remotely. The last day of school we announced the results in the school assembly, as well as the 2 winning classes of the competition, who won a certificate that we prepared and a prize provided by members of CNR. A report of the collection appeared in local newspapers and on the news on television, which spoke enthusiastically about the project.